In 2009, a mysterious figure, Satoshi Nakamoto, gifted the world Bitcoin. This enigmatic creator, whose true identity remains unknown, published a white paper that outlined the concept of a decentralized digital currency. Bitcoin was born out of a desire to create a new financial system, free from the control of traditional banks and governments. This digital currency started as an intriguing experiment. It was a revolutionary idea that promised to change the way we think about money. Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, was a novel concept that ensured transparency and security through a decentralized ledger. The first recorded transaction saw Bitcoin valued at a fraction of a cent. On May 22, 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made history by purchasing 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins, marking the first real-world transaction using the cryptocurrency. Early adopters, mostly tech enthusiasts and cryptographers, saw its potential. They were drawn to the idea of a currency that was not controlled by any central authority. These pioneers believed in the power of cryptography and the promise of a decentralized financial system. They mined Bitcoin, traded it amongst themselves, and laid the foundation for a decentralized financial system. Mining, the process of validating transactions and securing the network, was initially done using regular computers. As more people joined the network, the difficulty of mining increased, leading to the development of specialized hardware. These were the early days, a time of exploration and belief in a radical idea. The community was small but passionate, driven by the vision of a new kind of money. They faced many challenges, but their determination and innovation set the stage for the future of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bitcoin's price remained relatively stable for its first 2 years. However, in 2011, the world began to take notice. The price started to rise, reaching parity with the US dollar for the first time. Bitcoin had its first taste of a bull run, driven by increasing media attention and growing adoption. This marked the beginning of Bitcoin's journey from a niche technology to a global phenomenon. Following the 2013 bull run, Bitcoin entered a period of consolidation. This is known as accumulation. Prices stabilized and long-term investors saw an opportunity. They started accumulating Bitcoin, believing in its long-term potential. This period is characterized by relatively low volatility and steady, albeit slower, price growth. Section 4. Reaching for the Sky. The 2017 Bitcoin Frenzy. The year 2017 witnessed Bitcoin's most dramatic bull run yet. It was a year that saw the cryptocurrency world turned upside down as Bitcoin's value surged to unprecedented heights. Investors, both seasoned and new, were caught up in the whirlwind of excitement and speculation. The price skyrocketed, reaching an all-time high of nearly $20,000. This meteoric rise was fueled by a combination of factors, including increased media attention, growing public interest, and a surge in institutional investment. People from all walks of life were suddenly talking about Bitcoin, and everyone wanted a piece of the action. Mainstream media coverage exploded and the public's interest in Bitcoin reached a fever pitch. News outlets around the world were reporting on the cryptocurrency's incredible gains, and social media was abuzz with discussions about its potential. This widespread coverage only served to fuel the frenzy, as more and more people became aware of Bitcoin and its potential for massive returns. This period was marked by euphoria, FOMO, fear of missing out, and a surge in new investors entering the market. People who had never before considered investing in cryptocurrencies were now eager to get involved, hoping to capitalize on the seemingly endless upward trajectory of Bitcoin's price. The 2017 Bitcoin frenzy was a time of great excitement and anticipation, as the world watched to see just how high this digital currency could go. Section 5. A roller coaster ride, navigating the highs and lows. After the 2017 peak, Bitcoin experienced a significant correction, as is typical after a bull run. The price plummeted, causing panic among new investors who had entered the market during the hype. Many questioned the sustainability of Bitcoin and whether it was just another bubble waiting to burst. The media was filled with stories of doom and gloom, predicting the end of the cryptocurrency era. This was followed by a period of volatility and price fluctuations. The market was unpredictable, with prices swinging wildly from one day to the next. Traders and investors had to navigate these choppy waters, making quick decisions to either cut their losses or hold on for potential gains. It was a time of uncertainty, but also of opportunity for those who could weather the storm. However, Bitcoin has repeatedly demonstrated its resilience, bouncing back from each downturn. Despite the naysayers, the cryptocurrency showed an incredible ability to recover and even thrive. Each dip was followed by a recovery, sometimes reaching new heights. This resilience attracted a new wave of investors who believed in the long-term potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The future of Bitcoin remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: it has captured the world's attention and sparked a revolution in finance. Governments, financial institutions, and everyday people are now paying attention to the potential of digital currencies. Whether Bitcoin will become a mainstream form of payment or remain a speculative asset is yet to be seen, but its impact on the financial world is undeniable. The journey of Bitcoin is far from over, and its story continues to unfold.